Today we're gonna bring a lock for your actually Ring camera. So if you don't want to mount the camera out on the side of the door, this is a great option. So what you need to do is just make sure that this slips in your door and it fits in your door. Now, one thing that you have to do, make sure that you don't get rid of this foam, because you are going to need the foam to keep the camera center. All right, and we're going to do that right now. They give you all the fasteners, all the screws, and even some bumpers so you won't scratch your door too. All right, because this does not have any bumpers out of the box. You got to make sure you put your bumpers in here so you won't scratch it, and it comes with a fastener here so you could tie it down. And just make sure that this is on the outside, all right, because this is where the actual camera bolt's gonna. So if you have an apartment or a place that you can't mount this stuff, you can always keep it within your door. And this is a great security. Now that holidays are coming out, a lot of packages are coming home, and you want to make sure you want to keep an eye on your stuff, this is the way. So let's go ahead and put it together and see how it looks. I'm gonna have to remove one of the foams here. So if you guys can see, they gave you different layers. Cut it out, and I believe it's gonna be this one that we're gonna have to cut out. So we're gonna see how much we have to trim down in order. All right, we got it all set up. This is supposed to fit in the back of the box, all right? And the only time we're gonna remove it is to charge it, all right? So that's the only thing. So make sure it fits nice and tucked in there. Another great thing is that you could run the cable out if you want to charge this unit, all right? And it's just foam, so you could cut through it and just run the cable out. If you want to constantly be charging it without taking the whole system out, you can do that. All right, so here we have it. You can flip it around however you want. I actually had to flip this up because it was upside down. So we're gonna open the door. You gotta fasten it in here, all right? Make sure you tight it up in here. And it's all set. Make sure it's flush for your door, or if you don't have the clearance, you can always sand your door on the other side, but make sure you get permission from the owner of the building or the actual building manager. And all you got to do is make sure you have clearance. All right, so once you close it up, there you go, we have it in there. People try to break it or steal it, they can't. The box is very secure. Very simple, easy to install. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.